Okay, for those joining us on this channel, this is the project of the E-type, my own take on it. Started with an idea, and here it is being fleshed out in CAD, and then we're going to make it out of 3D printed / laser cut / many other techniques that we're going to learn during the next few videos. Enjoy! The thickness here is 1.5 mil. Maybe you can go 2 mil. Any more than that, I think it's a waste of material. Depends on the size, obviously. I think this is the biggest part. It took about the best part of 3 days to print. The grit used here is 80, maybe 100 would be okay too. I have used sandpaper attached to a flat pad like that to sand it down to a nice curvature. I'm using an Anycubic Chiron 3D printer to do all this project. Almost all parts of this project have been printed at 0.2 of a mil thickness high. The finer you can get the sand in, the better result you'll get, the less work you'll have to do with the primer later. At the top left, preparing the hinge. Here, attaching the hinge for the door is a simple snap into place. Here I'm using an insert, a helicoil or like a threaded piece. The way I apply it is with the soldering iron. Heat it up and then just push it down in, but be careful, you need to have a little bit of water squished on it so it doesn't travel further or actually make the hole bigger. Moving on to the front suspension, creating it in CAD. If you notice, there is a teeth on this steering rack on both sides. That's not to do with left-hand or right-hand driving. It's only to do with if you want to insert it left or right, it should be fine. It should work both ways. Now this is the rear suspension. Eventually I opted for no spring, none of that stuff. In fact, it's just a normal bolt-in situation, because it's all hidden, it doesn't hinge out, it doesn't show any of that, so there's no reason for me to go onto that length. After creating all those suspension components in CAD, we moved on to 3D printing them. This feature of a 3D printer is quite cool. You can actually select to print all at once, so the printer will print the whole thing in one go, or it will print one at a time. Here we're preparing the brake disc, the caliper and some other components for the drive fitting. Notice the two inserts on top and bottom of the wheel hub. Use the same iron technique to insert them in, with some cooling water eventually. Now 3D printing the rest of the suspension components. Those coils or springs have been printed with a little bit of support in between. You delete support later and you end up with a nice springy action on them. You'll see in the next video. Here removing the support material and cleaning it up a bit with the tool, rotary tool, and some sandpaper, and it should be ready. Oh, come on. I hope I didn't break anything there. Lovely. Lovely, that's the action we're looking for. Oh, this, I need to glue this later, it's just for now, for look-see. Right. Last but not least, turn this the way around. This way around, and look for the spot. And eventually we're going to have some Loctite in here to catch the screws. There we go. That's the wheels.